Welcome guys to another North Loop 18 video, and today we are going to be playing some more TNT. We're going to play TNT tag for like 3 rounds, and then we're going to go into parkour.
Paragraph A, you had paragraph B1.
Sorry, another interruption. Like I always forget to do that stuff. It's just that don't click off this. It's still going to be good. Where is it? Oh wait, this is building. Sorry. And you get to TNT. So guys, I love Hypixel. Guys, go check it out. It is a very good. It's gooch, and like you can play so many things. So it's called Hypixel. mchypixel.com. Go check it out, and it's actually free. And guys, I just want to say shout out to what I'm recording with right now is Screencast-O-Matic. If you guys want a YouTube channel, go if you ever create it, you should use Screencast-O-Matic for if you could use it forever. Like I'm probably gonna use it forever, but you guys could use it to get enough to the subscriber point where you make your money and then you could upgrade, but I really don't know. I can't tell you anything. But yeah, we're getting right into this. Like I said, I will be uploading today, and there's that upload. It was just a little late because I was going places. I was with my friends, and I told them I had to upload again, but I was with my pool and stuff like that. So guys, if you are new to like and subscribe and be part of the North Loop 18 family, and turn on post notifications. I post every week. Every week I post, and so yeah, can we get 50 likes on this video? It's always like 50 likes until I get at least more than 50 people subscribe to me, because that's what my goal is to get more likes and the views, bro. Oh gosh, I don't know, I might die right here. No. No, she gave last second, or he, I don't know. Size, I'll just comment down below if you like Screencast-O-Matic, or I should change, because I don't know. I really love it, and the good part about it is that you can edit on their thing. You can add music in the background. Like I like to add music in the background, as you guys can see if you watch my videos. And guys, just so you know, it makes me feel really good when you guys comment down below saying, yeah, I love these videos. It's great. You're doing great with them. It's it makes me feel really just good. And I hope you guys you comment, and if you're not subscribed, just subscribe, and you'll be and turn on notifications, and you'll be part of the North Loop 18 family. And I upload every week. Like I said, every week I upload. If I don't, it's because I'm busy. I'm sometimes busy because I'm working how to do thumbnails, because my computer's not really working to do thumbnails, and I just cannot get it. So if YouTubers watching this, could you use a MacBook? Because I'm using this for my gaming MacBook. And guys, I'm getting the mouse so I can play some Bed Wars. It is coming Monday. So that'll be kind of cool. Oh gosh. I don't know what to do. Who do I pass it on to? I don't see nobody. Oh, I see someone. No, run. Run, tiger. Okay, go. Okay, we're going. We're going. Ooh. It's lit. Ooh. Oh no. Is the second and one more, and then we're gonna be doing some parkour, and we will be talking about my YouTube channel because I just want you guys to know I would like to create a North Loop 18 family. And if you watched the video, it's called Let's Talk, and if you watch that, it's about my YouTube channel, like what I do when I grow up, or like what my future would be if I had these subscribers, or any type of sort of like help, like I don't know what to do for YouTube. If you guys want me to do YouTube, you could like comment down below if I should do YouTube or not. No. No, I guess we'll do the Bed Wars, because that's what I would like. So yeah, guys, this video is just all about like talking. Like I like to entertain. Like I'm an entertainer. That's what my YouTube channel is about, is to do entertaining and gaming. I don't like to vlog anymore because it just takes so much time, and there's not a screencast-o-matic that it's like on the camera thing. It's just it takes longer to download on YouTube. It takes more time, and I know you guys like me uploading. And I like uploading too, because then it gets around the world, and then I can build the North Loop 18 family. And that's what I dream to do, and I also dream to play football. So it's mostly on me, but it's also on you guys what my career should be. So I need your help, to show. I said this in Let's Talk video, and now it's Let's Play, bro. Let's play. I might decide when I get. So guys, like I said, if I get 5,000 subscribers here, I might be just stuck with YouTube, but I will finish school and everything. Don't worry, I want those grades. Because grades are the most important thing for me right now, because I really want to go to the NFL. It's like my dream. Always wanted to go there. Like when I watch football, I'm always like, sorry if you live in a different country, I don't know what it is, but pigskin foot. It's a pigskin that you toss around. But so yeah, I would like to do that as my career. Football is just a very nice. So there's this there's a lot of people that are NFL football players, and they have kids, right? And then they always tell their children, I don't even want them to play football when they grow up, because I know they make a lot of money, but they also get hurt very badly, and it hurts very bad. That's what some of the NFL football players do. I'm not trying to steal nothing. Oh, I never made that jump before. Oh. Guys. So yeah, let's get right into this video. We're in it, so like I said, can we get 50 likes on this video? And if you're into the channel, just subscribe, and I upload every week. So if you guys want to see me upload every week, I upload every week. So if I don't, it's because of family or anything like that. So, boom. My game. Boom. Okay. Oh, that messed me up. I don't like that block. Yeah. Never made it this far. Sorry, making all these weird noises. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys, this is legit so hard. Go check it out. It's MC hypixel.com. No, that was so hard and I got so far and it just all ended. That screws me up. But I'm still on the top. Oh my gosh. You guys want merch? Here's 5,000 subscribers. 5,000 subscribers now creates merch. Merch, link in bio. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Okay. Boom. So frustrating. You don't believe it? That is just so frustrating. Boom. Okay, so guys, watch out for that block because it really screws you up. Boom. 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 Shout out to Caden commenting on this. Boom. And shout out to him. The game just crashed now. So yeah. Okay, so boom. 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 Please don't game. I did it. Did I get anything? No. Whoa, guys, I think we just finished the whole parkour. So that's where I'm in this video, and well, I guess good night, guys, and see you in the next one, and bye. Bye.